Welcome to all. Today we see the lecture number or chapter number 4 is the Indus civilization. So what is the Indus civilization? In the year 1922, archaeologists dug up a few places in the Indus Valley and carried out the excavation and Mohenjo-daro, meaning a mound of dead in a Sindh, and at a Harappa on the river Ravi in Punjab. They found traces of very ancient civilization which flourished more than 5000 years ago. They observed that the people utilized the pots, utensils, and ornaments. These cities were built along the river Indus, and hence this civilization is known as the Indus Valley civilization. And it is also known as a Harappan culture and occupied the area stretching from the Delhi to Gujarat. During this period, the people identify the importance of plowing for the proper sowing of crops. Soil has to be tilled and seed has to be covered. Ox-drawn wheel cart was used for the transport. The people cultivated wheat, barley, gram, peas, sesame, and rape. They also cultivated the cotton and also devised the method of ginning, spinning, and weaving. Animal husbandry was also given more importance during this period. They domesticated the buffaloes, cattle, camels, horse, elephant, ass, and birds. They utilized them in agriculture and also for transport. The most remarkable discovery in Harappa is the great granary used for the storing the food grains. These granaries, each 50 by 20 feet overall, are arranged symmetrically in 2 rows of 6 in each row, with a central passage and 23 feet wide. From the size of granary, it can be concluded that the peasants paid their dues to the government in kind, used the kinds in granary for payments to employees. The artisans, carpenters, and others received their wages in kind from the farmers. So, what is a Vedic civilization? So, Vedic civilization, the word Veda is derived from the Ved, which means the knowledge, and Veda is the only literary source from the which we know about the Aryans in India. Aryans were more prevalent during the Vedic time, which extend from the eastern Afghanistan, Kashmir, Punjab, and parts of Sindh and Rajasthan. The land of Aryans was called land of 7 rivers, that is a Satluj, Bias, Ravi, Chenab, Jhelum, Indus, and Saraswati. The Rig Veda was oldest book of Aryans. Then the crops cultivated in Vedic periods. In early Vedic period, there are no mention of rice and cotton, though they were cultivated in Harappan period. In the later Vedic period, agriculture implements were improved and iron plough share also improved. The people possessed the knowledge of fertility of land, selection of seeds, seed treatment, harvesting, manuring, and rotation of crops. Barley, sesame, and sugarcane were the main crop, and the cucumber, bottle gourd were also mentioned in a Vedic period. Aryans were accustomed to the barley diet. Barley is good for man, cattle, horses. Barley is used in Hindu rituals even today. For clothes, wool, cotton were used. The agricultural implements mentioned in Vedic literature include the plough, is the pointed type having a smooth handle, sera a large heavy plough, and sickle was used for harvesting, sieves were used for cleaning.